y'all, what's up? I got the bumper off. I just took the headlights off. I'm just getting ready to put everything back together. Then something popped in my mind. I did a video once a while ago with my road, customizing my air intake box. So when I thought about this time, hey, why not do it to the Altima? I mean, it's still gonna look factory, still gonna look everything's gonna be normal, still gonna be looking good. So what I thought about doing, I'm gonna delete this, the air intake resonator box. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to remove it from this area. So right here this won't even exist no more. And I already got the tabs loose. I'm going to delete this. I'm just trying to free up some airflow, see how it works. I'm also gonna keep the parts. I'm not gonna do anything with it. This time I'm not cutting nothing. I don't have to trim or nothing. So I removed these tabs from this. The tab there, this tab here, tab there. Pretty much removed the tab. Took them out. I can't say this. I mean, it's a direct passage for your airflow going to your car. I don't want it. I don't want to buy a K&N air intake, which would be down the road, but I don't want to do that either right now. So I'm gonna do this route. So baby, we're gonna see how it sounds once I get everything done. Like, I'm getting ready to delete this down here. So I already took this silencer out. I'm gonna take this intake resonator out, and I'm gonna put everything back together in a normal way. So, and this is the filter that came with my Altima. So I mean, yeah, we gonna see. For airflow, later on I'm gonna come in. If I don't like the way it's doing, I'm gonna come and probably trim that out. Just cut that out so it can be direct airflow. But here is where the air gonna be splitting. Tornado going up and down. Well, that's what I want. More air, more power. As you can see, we got the boat right here, which it looks like it's a Philippine shrimp. So. It's deleted. As we can see, pretty sure this is for keeping the moisture controlled and all this, but I don't want it. So I'm creating my own style intake, and we're gonna go from there. So yeah, it's deleted now. Let's put this car back together. Oh snap. Yeah. There we go. So yeah, so what I did, deleted this, and I deleted that down there. Would it affect my gas mileage? It might. But who knows? We gonna find out. Like I said, I still got the parts. Nothing's torn apart. Like, if I need to put it back together, I can put it back together. So like I said, right now I do have the car battery unplugged. So once I get it plugged back up, let it idle for a little bit, take it for a little spin or drive or something like that. Just around the block so it can remap itself. And let's hope I unlock some horses. Appreciate y'all for watching. Nope, I lied. I got to put it all back together so we can see what it sounds like. So y'all stay tuned.